Novamobili is a brand of Battistella Company, an industrial group based in Pieve di Soligo and one of the biggest names in Italian-made furniture. Since 1967, Novamobili modular systems and furniture have consistently stood out for their ability to inspire personal concepts of domestic life and rewrite the rulebook to build spaces around individual needs. In the R&D department, a team of designers and engineers collaborate with leading names in architecture and design to come up with innovative, custom-designed furniture solutions. From production lines to warehouse management, cutting-edge technologies combine an exceptional level of productivity with precision execution. Innovation married seamlessly with experience and tradition, all in the name of quality. With a heightened awareness of sustainability issues, Novamobili opts for environmentally friendly processes and durable natural materials. In 2002, it was the first company in Italy to introduce the water-based lacquering system, a type of coating that respects the environment and people's health. As part of an omni-channel communication strategy, Novamobili illustrates its world through catalogues, websites, social media profiles and events. Novamobili has a worldwide sales network. The 500 square metre flagship store is located in Milan's Porta Nuova, one of the most dynamic and happening districts in the design capital. A place to be inspired for creating homes that reflect the personality of their everyday occupants. Novamobili, home system daily inspired.